Hi everyone, thanks for checking out this video, and I am super excited to share this with you today. The email marketing system that I use to build my business is now free. And not just free for 30 days, but free. If you are a small business owner or just getting started out with email marketing, you are going to love this email marketing system. So make sure you check out the link below in the description of this video to start your own account today. Now, if you happen to already have another email marketing service, that's fine. My email marketing service will transfer all of your email list over to their platform for absolutely free. It doesn't get much cooler than that. Now, one of the great things about the free account is you can have up to 500 email subscribers before you need to upgrade to the paid service. And you can send out over 3,000 emails a month before needing to upgrade. Once you hit those numbers, the upgrade price is very, very reasonable. It's one of the best that I have found on the market. And again, I love all the features that the Pro account and the free account give you. So let's check out this quick clip where we go over all the different features you can get from this account. So powerfully simple pricing. Right here you can see the Pro account is $16.50 a month if it's billed annually. It's for 0 to 500 subscribers, and it's everything you are going to need to grow your business. Now the free account for 0 to 500 subscribers is going to give you a ton of options as well, and let's look at the difference in the two. So with the Pro plan and the free plan, you can see the subscribers are unlimited on the Pro plan, the email sends are unlimited, list profiles unlimited, and with the free plan there's just one. You can create newsletters, email automations are available on both, RSS to email, drag and drop builder, and hundreds of email templates available on both the Pro and the free plan. Now here's where it changes a little bit. With the Pro plan, you can see you get a few extra benefits like email split testing, behavioral automation, brand clicking, ad tracking, and the removal of the Aweber branding on your emails. But you get on both plans unlimited landing pages, beautiful landing page templates you can use, and thousands of professional images. Now, with both the Pro plan and the free plan, you get video landing pages, Google Analytics for Facebook, pixel tracking, sign-up forms, a WordPress plugin, which means you can use it with your blog, tagging subscribers, and send to basic segments. With the Pro plan, you're actually going to be able to save and send to custom segments and have a sign-up form that you can split test. Now with both the Pro plan and the free plan, you get a simple subscriber and message analysis, and you get e-commerce solutions integration. Now with the Pro plan, you're going to get advanced messaging analytics, advanced audio and account analytics, web page tracking, and cart abandonment purchase tagging. So it is a little better to go to the Pro plan if you sell stuff online. But you can totally start out with a free plan. Both the Pro plan and the free plan have team account management, unlimited users, so if you want other people helping you with your email, integrations, free migration, which means they'll transfer your email list over for you, 24/7 live customer support, one of my favorite things. You get to tag subscribers and send to basic segments. Thanks guys again for checking out this video. Again, if you would like to start your free account today, make sure you click the link in the description of this video. If you like this video, make sure that you give it a like. And if you know other business owners that might benefit from a free email marketing system, make sure you share this video with them. If you got value, why not hit that subscribe button? I would love to have you as one of my new subscribers. And until I see you guys over on the next video, remember to keep laughing your way through life.